All right, I'm working on this BAB Ikon P031 green belt. As you can see, pretty some gnarly warding, but again, there is holes all the way through, so that warding really doesn't matter when you do all that. Let me zoom in just on that. So you can see it really doesn't matter. There's the first one, there's the second one. So our recommendation for you is when you first start working on these, obviously you're gonna want to kind of feel where the keys are to get around that warding. So I got a pretty deep hook. All right, so BAB Ikon P031, key works good. All right, let's pick this. Sprayed a little bit with Houdini, made it a little smoother, got all the walk. All right, check on 1, no binding on 1, no binding on 2, binding on 3. A little click on 3, 4, click on 4, 5, nothing on 5, 1, 2's binding. Good click on 2, 1's binding, and 1 to a full set, and the last one is 5, which is up, and we're open. Okay, let's get this, put this right here for now. Put it off to the side, get you centered. Zoom in a little bit. All right, good. Centered. Let's lock this back up. Slide out. Okay. Get this open. Get that off. Get the key in. Follow it out. It's here. Show the pins. And there is one tiny little match wafer right there. Let's get it on first. So here's the match wafer on 2. Just fell right here. Put you on 2. Okay. So here's 1. Here's 2. 2's being shy, let's get 3. Let's just do it this way. Pull the key out a little bit, see what it lets us grab. That's 5. 4. 5. Let's push these out. There's 2. 3. Right. And wouldn't inspect it, but there's no edges on this. Okay, a little bit of dirt from when I sprayed it. Put the cord here. Now let's get the Bible. Let's look at number 1. Okay. Number 1, standard. Number 2, there's another standard. I thought it'd be a spool. Number 3, there's another standard. Wow, full of standards on this guy. Number 4, let's bring it the other direction. So let's get 5. Here is a spool. And then the last pin is a spool. So 2 spools and 3 standards. I'm not expecting. I get it from Decoder. Not that this would be on him, but this is what he put in there. So it should have been, I don't know if that's the generic depiction of what's on the LPU belt, but this is the BAB Ikon from Decoder green belt. And I'll give you a close up of the pins. Not exactly what I was expecting. I thought there was going to be more spools than that, but still done. That's all I got.